Hello everybody. I just got a pro grind sharpening system for my lathe, for my tools. Excuse me. I'm going to do a little opening ceremony here. See what all is in it. This is Savannah pro grind sharpening system. I'm excited about it. I'll have some nice sharp tools for my wood lathe. Here we go. Ooh, look stuff. Okay, that's basically it right there. So we'll see what's in here. Peachtree Woodworking Supply is who I got it from. So the first piece will be a bracket. Yep, that's one of the slider brackets. We've got various things to sharpen different stuff with. I'll have to figure out what all of it is. But I have it. I don't know what it is, but I have it. This looks like the same thing as the other one. Yeah, it is. I don't know what it is yet, but I'll have to figure it out. I know what this is. There we go. That's for doing my bowl gouges and stuff. That's going to work out just fine. And of course the rest of the extender bar brings the handle out where you can get the right angle on the wheel. That's a big one. Alright, there's the rest. There's where the handle rests, and the grinder is up here, and you bring it down and do this deal. This is so you can put it there and do grinds like this for the bowl gouges. Let's see what this is. More parts. Parts of parts. Yep, various adapters and things. There's a gauge to set things by. That's cool. Various other brackets. Bowl gouge, long grind, 2-inch projection, and number 3 position. Got all kinds of things to set things. Bowl gouge, standard grind, 2-inch projection, 1 position. Part of the bracketing system again. Spacers. Well, let's see what's in this box. We have more stuff. More bracketing system. That's what all this is. All the bolts and everything, all the hardware. Screws. And more bracketing with little knobs. Looks like a T-tool. Okay. Well, that's all there was in that one. I've got one more package. What did I do with it? It's here somewhere. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. I got this too. Let's see what it is. I believe it's a wheel dressing tool. Diamond wheel dressing tool to keep all this. Yep, it is. Diamond grinding wheel dresser. Must have for keeping your wheels flat and smooth. All right, that's it. I'll do a video and about setting it up and getting it all ready to go, and then how to use it, just so you can all see how it works. That's it. Adios.